My husband likes anything with coconut, so today I decided to make pan de coco. Pan de coco or coconut bread is a popular snack bread in my country, Philippines. For this, we will need the following. For the dough, all-purpose flour, sugar, instant dry yeast, milk, vegetable oil, salt, and egg. For the filling, we will need a dry coconut, brown sugar, milk, or you can use coconut milk as you like, water, butter, vanilla extract, and again milk and flour to be dissolved. For the egg wash, of course, we will need 1 egg and water. I will put all the measurements in the description box below. Okay, assuming you know the drill of making dough after it has been risen and doubled in size, you have to get it again and gently deflate it and put it in a flat surface like this. Just keep massaging it, and I suggest not to add too much flour because it's gonna make your dough dry. And then you can roll into a log and cut it into equal parts as you like. Then after cutting it, you have to cover the dough pieces again and let it rest for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Now it's ready. Flatten each dough and add about 2 tablespoons of coconut filling in the center. Close the filling by pinching the corners of it, like this one. Arrange the filled dough pinched side down on a baking sheet at about 1 inch apart. You're so cute, right? Using a fork or toothpick, poke small holes in the center of each filled dough. Cover it again and then let them rest for another 30 minutes and bake it in a 322 Fahrenheit oven for like 12 minutes. Remove from the oven, brush with egg wash, then return back to the oven for like at least 8 minutes or until golden brown. And there you have it, your own pan de coco. Okay, baby, here it is. Pan de coco. Say pan de coco.
Dan de coco.
Pan de coco.
Dan de coco.
Okay, how was it?
It's really good. I like it so much.
Yay!